Here's a quick video on using transparent PNGs in Display.Stream. So here we have a canvas with an image for the background, and we want to add a logo. We're going to add an image to our canvas and select our PNG from our library. Now, the image you select must be a transparent PNG when you had uploaded it. As you can see, when the image is added, there is a white background on it. To remove the white background and see the transparency of the PNG, click on the gear, go over to Properties, and check Use Original Image. As you can see, the PNG now has a transparent background and it looks great on top of your image. Well, I hope you found this demo helpful, and thank you for using Display.Stream.